In this video, I'm going to take my first stab at making a chair. It's going to be made of beech, so it's going to be an inexpensive wood. I'm going to cut some templates on the CNC and then do some pattern cutting on the router and see how it goes. I designed the chair in SketchUp, and I'll use that model to make some SVG files for the CNC to cut out the templates. I wanted to cut the mating surfaces for these parts with the table saw to get a perfect face to glue up. So I'm using the templates to make a couple of different sleds, and that'll allow me to cut a nice smooth face on the table saw. This domino right here becomes a problem later on. I made it too close to the edge, and if you look closely when the chair is done, you can see it peeking through there. This is part of the reason I wanted to use beech, and I'm hopeful that I can patch that somehow and make it look all right. So this panel here that I'm gluing up is going to be the seat and also the backrest for the chair. And this is the first time that I'm going to be doing three-dimensional cutting with the CNC. Typically all the parts that I cut out or things that I make on the CNC are two-dimensional or 2.5 dimensional. And this time it'll be three-dimensional in that the Z-axis, or the up and down movement of the CNC router, will be moving at the same time as the X-axis or the Y-axis, which is the left and right, or the front and back. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the support, and we'll see you on the next one.